Hello friends, in this lecture we will discuss one important problem of mathematics in which we have to find the x and y intercept of the given linear functions, and using the intercept you have to sketch the graph for each functions. Okay, before starting the discussion, I want to tell you to get more important mathematics problem you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link is also available in the description box of this video. So what you have to do, you have to visit the website education-adda.com. Then you have to go to menu option, select academics adda there, and then you will get math important questions. You can also get same questions available on our YouTube channel, and the playlist is titled as Math Important Questions. Okay, so coming back to the problem, what is given here? See, we have to determine the coordinates of x and y intercept for each of the following linear functions, and using the intercepts, and if another point is needed we can take another point to scale the graph of these functions. So first function is ft equal to 4 by 5t minus 3. So one by one we will discuss. See, given linear function is ft equal to 4 by 5t minus 3. So we can write this in the form of x and y. So it can be written as ft as y and taking t as x. Okay, so we will get y equal to 4 by 5x minus 3, where y equal to ft and x equal to t. Okay, consider this as equation 1. So now we have to find coordinates of x and y intercept. See, to get the coordinate of x intercept, what we have to do, we have to substitute y equal to 0 in the given equation. So substituting y equal to 0, we will get 0 equal to 4 by 5x minus 3. So from this we will get x equal to 3.75. So coordinates of x intercept will be 3.75 comma 0. Similarly, we can find y-intercept by substituting x equal to 0 in the given equation. So we will get y equal to minus 3, and coordinates of y-intercept will be 0 comma minus 3, and plotting these 2 points. Okay, so plotting x-intercept and y-intercept, these 2 points, we can plot the given straight line. Okay, so it will be a line passing through 3.75 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 3, and it is as this one. See, here it is x intercept coordinate and this is y intercept coordinate. So it is a line passing through 3.75 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 3. So we can plot a straight line if we have at least 2 points, two different points. Okay, it should be different points. If you get to one single point, there can be infinite number of lines. Okay, so coming back to part 2, part B. Linear function given as 3x plus 4y equal to minus 2. So in order to find x and y coordinates of the intercepts, what we have to do to find x-intercept, we have to substitute y in equation 2. So we will get x equal to minus 2 by 3. Similarly, to find y-intercept, we need to substitute x equal to 0 in equation 2, and we will get y equal to minus 1 by 2, and coordinates of y-intercept will be 0 comma minus 1 by 2. Now we have 2 points, that is minus 2 by 3 0 and 0 minus 1 by 2. So this function can be plotted as a straight line passing through these 2 points, and we will get a graph like this one. Okay, so here this is first point and this is second point. First point is minus 2 by 3 0 and 0 minus 1 by 2 is the second point. Coming to third part, see here the linear function is given as minus x by 3 plus y equal to 0. So in order to find the coordinates of x and y intercept, To find x-intercept, we substitute y equal to 0 and we will get x is also 0. Similarly, to find y-intercept, we substitute x equal to 0 and substituting x equal to 0 in equation 3, we will get y as also 0. So we can see that coordinates of y-intercept is also 0, 0 and x-intercept is also 0, 0. So we are getting a single point passing through the origin. Okay. So there can be infinite number of lines passing through this point. So we need at least one more point in order to plot this equation. Okay. So substituting x equal to 3 in equation 3. This is our equation 3. So when we substitute x equal to 3, we will get minus 3 by 3 plus y equal to 0 or y equal to 1. So this line will also pass through 3 comma 1. Now we have 2 points. First point is 0 0, another point is 3 3 1. So this can be plotted as a straight line passing through 0 0 and 3 1, and the plot will be like this one. See, this is first point 0 0 and second point is 3 1. So this is the graph of the given function. Okay friends, so in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.